Chapter 5. Beautiful World of Birds. All birds have wings and two legs. The wings help them to fly. Birds are the only animals that have feathers. A bird's body consists of the head, trunk, wings, legs, and a tail. What helps a bird to fly? Its body is shaped like a boat. This shape helps it to float in the air easily. Aeroplanes are also boat-shaped. Its bones are hollow and filled with air. This makes them light. A bird has strong muscles that move the wings up and down. These are called flight muscles. Its tail helps it to change its direction during flight. Types of feathers. A bird's body is covered with feathers. Different birds have feathers of different colors. Birds have mainly 3 types of feathers. Flight feathers. Some feathers are long and flat. They remain attached to the wings and the tail. They help the bird to fly and are called flight feathers. Down feathers. Some feathers are short and soft. They act like a warm sweater. They keep the bird's body warm in cold weather. A newborn bird has a lot of down feathers. Body feathers. Body feathers cover the body of the bird. They give shape to the bird's body. Birds fly to different extents. The crane and the pigeon fly over long distances. Cock, hen. The cock and the hen fly over very short distances. Sparrow, bulbul. The sparrow and the bulbul fly at low heights. Eagle, vulture. The eagle and the vulture fly at great heights. Birds that do not fly at all. Some birds do not fly at all. They move on land with the help of their legs. These are called flightless birds. The kiwi, ostrich, penguin, and emu are flightless birds. Aquatic birds. There are many birds that spend most of their time in water. These birds are called aquatic birds. They have oil glands that keep their feathers waterproof. The oil from these glands prevents their feathers from getting wet. Ducks, swans, gulls, pelicans, and cranes are aquatic birds. They have webbed toes, feet, that help them to swim. Nests. Like us, birds need a home to live in. The home of a bird is called a nest. Before building a nest, the bird pair decides where to build the nest. The next step is collecting material and carrying it to the building site. The final step is construction. Birds build nests to lay and hatch eggs, protect their eggs and birdlings from enemies, protect themselves from harsh weather. Nests of birds.
Sparrow.
It makes its nests in houses, trees, or any other protected place. The materials it uses to make its nest are mainly grass, leaves, straw, and cotton.
Tailor bird. It sews its nest with its beak. The materials it uses to make its nest are thread, wool, and vegetable fibers.
Vulture. It makes its nest on high trees. The nest looks like a shallow cup. The materials it uses to make its nest include sticks and twigs.
Woodpecker. It makes its nest in tree trunks. It uses its kaiser-like beak to make a big hole in a tree trunk. This hole is used as a nest.
Weaver bird. It uses grass and twigs to make its nest. The nest is strong and big. The entrance is at the lower end of the nest.